Sometimes we work in life to reach our goals and our promises in hopes that one day everything will feel easier to do. This week felt easier to do. It was nice. I got to go outside twice and experience the world that I was missing for once in a while without having to think and be overwhelmed. And I enjoyed it. I felt more inspired than kind of melancholy. I felt like I could do this. I could take on the world finally without feeling insecure or overwhelmed or like I don't fit in for once. And though the week was overbearing in some spaces, it felt doable. I felt like I did it with ease, with elegance, with poise. I felt good about the week. I went out to the mall twice. I went on a date with my boyfriend, which was really nice. And I went out with my mom. I took the bus. I haven't took the bus in like years. Usually because I get anxious being around so many people, and I have just really strong irrational fears about being outside, but they didn't come up as quick as they used to, and I found that liberating in some ways. I kind of reconnected with a friend that I haven't talked to on and off for a while, and it was nice talking to her, catching up. I also discovered my free will. Yeah, free will. I've always thought that in my life, everything was already planned out for me, and I had to follow the status quo of life and do things the way everyone expected. Another thing that I struggled with is struggling to understand that everyone's doing things differently. I always felt like in life everyone's doing the exact same thing and we need to be on the exact same timeline, and I struggled a lot coming to terms that I could be doing whatever the hell I want. I could be coloring on Monday, walking on Tuesday, singing on Wednesday, and clapping on Thursday. Like, that is the whole of free will. Like, I could make my room a museum of all my favorite things if I wanted to. I could print out pictures of things I view beautiful to me and hang them around my room, hang them on my ceiling if I wanted to, because that's what you could do. And there's not necessarily someone to stop you, but there isn't anyone to kind of say, no, this isn't right. And even if they were, who cares?
Start the next set.
And so this week was a lot of who cares and why not. And it felt nice. It felt like I was finally coming into who I was trying to be in the world. Someone who just does things because she's happy and she wants to and she believes in herself. And that's a feeling I've never felt before. So it was refreshing. It was very refreshing. I didn't know what this year was gonna hold for me in the beginning. And I think back to how far I've come, and I feel like, wow, I made it through a lot of stuff in life, and I should be loving myself for that, because I did things I didn't think I would be able to do, and I'm my strongest critic. There's nobody in the world who is going to do me worse than me. And in a way, it felt nice proving to myself that I can do it. I can do it. I've already did it, and that's the end of the story. There's nothing else, nothing more in between it. And I love that for me. I truly do. I hope there's other people out there who feel the same way as me, that they're understanding that they could also do whatever they want, whatever they need, without feeling embarrassed or abandoned or behind in life. And they could grow from this moment like I have, doing things that they never thought possible. Let it be small, let it be big, just anything. This week was a teaching week, I guess. It taught me a lot about myself, about my life, and where I wanted to go and where I wanted to be. And it made me appreciate life for once. I've never appreciated life or been grateful for it. So this was something new. This was something different, and I liked that I learned. I liked that I experienced. I even liked all the downtime from it too. So thank you to this life and this week for teaching me. I think it's important to show gratitude and talk about it and say thank you, especially in moments like this. So I am grateful for experiencing this week with so much love and knowledge and experience, and never feeling the pressure of overwhelmment or abandonment. And I hope that I could experience more days with curiosity and love and grace. And I hope the same for you too. I hope that every day is a lesson that is wonderful and amazing and teachable, that you could love the days as much as I have this week. So, yeah. And if you're experiencing a really bad day, know that it's only for that moment. Maybe it's for that day, but we can look forward to something greater. And that is your goal, your needs and your wants. That's what I had to do. And then I kind of forgot about all the bad days because I want to achieve my goals so bad. I want to be everything I thought I couldn't be so bad. And so I think if you hold on to optimism and love for your goals and ambition for your goals, you could achieve everything that you want. Well, that's my hope anyways. So if you made it this far, please like, comment, share if you feel like you need to, and subscribe if you want. not really gonna force you. But yeah, I hope to connect with you guys in the comments and enjoy the last bit of the video. Thank you again for coming on this journey with me. I am grateful. Thank you. Eventually, Kanojo.